Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Did you know that everyday actions like writing, eating, and even laughing can help you learn English? Let's explore how. We can write things on paper. Writing helps us share ideas. It is a way to express ourselves. Next, we read books or letters. Reading is fun and helps us learn new things. We can read stories, facts, or recipes. When we are hungry, we eat food. Eating is important for our health. We eat fruits, vegetables, and many other tasty things. When we feel thirsty, we drink water. Drinking water keeps us healthy and refreshed. Always drink enough water. To go somewhere, we walk. Walking can be a nice way to see the world. It is healthy and good for our bodies. Sometimes we run. We run to go fast. Running can be exciting, especially when we play. At night, we sleep. Sleeping helps our bodies rest. It gives us energy for the next day. In the morning, we wake up. Waking up starts our day. It is time to begin anew. We sit on a chair when we stay still. Sitting can be cozy and helps us relax. Sometimes we stand on our feet. Standing is useful when we want to see better or reach something high. We open the door or a box when we want to see what is inside. Opening things can bring surprises. When we are done, we close the window or the door. Closing helps keep us safe and cozy. In the kitchen, we cook food. Cooking can be fun. We make many delicious meals. To keep things tidy, we clean the room or the table. Cleaning is important for a nice space. We wash our hands to stay clean. Washing helps us stay healthy and avoid germs. When we drive, we use a car to go places. Driving can help us travel far. We can ride a bike or a horse. Riding can be fun and a great way to move. We look at pictures or people around us. Looking helps us notice details in our world. When we watch TV or movies, we enjoy stories and entertainment. Watching can be relaxing. We listen to music or people. Listening is important for understanding. We talk to friends and share stories. Talking helps us connect. We say words to communicate. Saying things can express our feelings. When we want to know something, we ask questions. Asking helps us learn. We answer the question when someone asks us. Answering shows we know things. If someone needs help, we help people or animals. Helping is a kind thing to do. We give a gift to show we care. Giving makes people happy. When we want something, we take it from a table. Taking needs to be done carefully. When we go shopping, we buy food from the shop. Buying is a part of our daily life. We pay for things with money. Paying is how we get what we want. We make tea or food in the kitchen. Making can be a creative process. We use a phone or computer to connect with others. Using technology is normal today. Playing games or sports brings joy. We play to have fun and relax. Sometimes we sing songs. Singing can make us feel joyful. We dance to music. Dancing lets us express ourselves. With crayons, we draw pictures. Drawing is a wonderful way to create. When we are happy, we laugh. Laughing spreads joy. But when we are sad, we cry. Crying is a natural way to express emotions. We think about things every day. Thinking helps us understand. Lastly, we know the answer when we learn something new. Knowing brings knowledge and confidence. We learn new things every day. And that is a beautiful part of life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.